हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द प्लूटस आईएएस। आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर डिस्कस वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ द पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन विच इज यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड। सो व्हाट इज द यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड? एन एम्प्लॉय शुड रिसीव द order of only one superior. That is the main principle of the unity of command. So Gulikurvik, Munerele, Henry Fayol, Demok and Pfiffner and Presthus. He is the uh, most he is the support of this theory, and he and these person are advocate and support this unity of command theory. So unity of command is the basic principle. An employee should receive the order only one superior, and Gulick and Arvik and Gulick and Arvik also told a em- an employee has cannot two boss, one employee, one boss. So most dominant advocate of this theory is Henry Fayol, and Henry Fayol also told forever what any action, forever what any action, an employee employee should receive the order only one boss. So one boss, this concept is the unity of command, and the dominant advocate or support of this theory is Henry Fayol. And Henry Fayol also told, if we can if we can see in any organization dual order, any chaos, any confusion, any misunderstanding, so unity of command must be necessary. So Henry Fayol is the most dominant advocate of the this theory. This is the one triangle, unity of command. So unity of command is a chain or a scalar process. So chain or scalar process, last video we discussed the hierarchy. In hierarchy, which is graded, something is something in steps. So this is the pyramid type structure, and top of the hierarchy or top of the organization, one boss. So all the employees should receive order only one boss. So suppose one boss either DM or SP. So all the subordinate employees of the DM should receive order one boss, one superior, and which is the which may be the DM, which may be the superintendent of police. So what is the unity of command? Unity of command is the chain of command. Unity of command is the scalar chain. Unity of command is the scalar process. Unity of command is inherent in hierarchy principle. Last class we discussed hierarchy. In the hierarchy, there are three principles of hierarchy: principle of principle of uh, correspondence, principle of unity of command, and principle of principle of correspondence, principle of unity of command. So these are the basic principle inherent in the in the hierarchy, and unity of command is the important principle of the hierarchy. So if we discuss the in large term in detailed hierarchy, so unity of command is the most important principle of the hierarchy. So this is the unity of command, and unity of command supported this theory is supported by the Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol is the most dominant advocate of this theory. Henry Fayol, Gulikervik, Pfiffner, Presthus, Demock and Demock. And these are the classical thinkers. These are the classical thinkers of the public administration, and these are the supported the unity of command. Unity of command is the is basic principle of unity of command is the basic principle that also told one employee, one boss, and there is no two boss of the one employee. So what is the advantage of unity of command? Advantage of unity command is there is no dual order, there is no confusion, there is a span of control is very strong, there is supervision is very strong, and every communication should in the proper channel. That is the some advantage of the unity of command, and some disadvantage of the unity of command. So disadvantage of the unity of command is the that in modern organization, a one employee should uh, receive the order of two boss. Suppose one boss he take the administrative order, and another boss he receive the and another boss he receive the budgetary decisions, but budgetary orders, or any any line and staff orders. So modern organization, especially according to the Chris Argyris. So Chris Argyris, so especially in according to the Chris Argyris told in modern scenario, uh, flat organization are working in many of the uh, urban society, many of the industrial industrial population environment, and flat organization, metric organization, there is no concept of unity of command, there is no concept of one boss, one employee. One employee should receive one boss. One employee should receive the order of one boss. And there is no dual order of any employee. So these concepts are totally ignored by the modern administrative thinkers like Chris Hargreaves. And he also support metric organization, flat organization, and one employee has two boss, more than two boss. One boss he received administrative order, and another boss he received line orders, budgetary orders, etc. So some, what is the disadvantage of unity of command and what is the advantage of unity of command? So some limitation of the unity of command, we are ignore the human emotions. First point. Second point, the limitation of unity of command, organization should be tends to a closed system. Another limitation of the unity of command, span of control is very closed, or supervision is the very close to employee. That is some uh, some that is bounded to some independence of the employee. So there are the some limitation of the unity of command. So we are discussed. So today we discuss the unity of command. What is the basic principle of unity of command, and who is the most prominent, dominant advocate of this unity of command theory? Henry Fayol. And Henry Fayol also told for what any action, one employee should receive order of one boss. And Demock and Demock, Munerele, Orwick, Pfiffner, Presthus, also these are the classical thinkers are also told one employee, one boss, and there is no two boss of the one employee. One employee take, receive, should receive the order only one boss. So that is the main principle of the unity of command, and these unity of command pyramid type structure, and these are the skill, and top of the organization one boss, and all the subordinates employee receive order of the top positions officers. These are the unity of command, and many organizations we see this type of structure, this type of hierarchy structure. Most important is army, navy. Today is also yeah, one definition is also came from the army, unity of command. A corollary should command of actions. So these organizations we saw in government organizations, in administration, in police organizations, in army, in navy, or very important for in the past medieval times, church. Church cardinal systems, and most of the churches are used this unity of command or cardinal systems like hierarchy. So today we discuss the unity of command, and we will end this video, and next we will discuss another topic. So thank you very much.